Pitboss 1230 Navigator Combo Grill. Pellet side on one side, gas on the other side. Let's walk you really fast through this. Is it worth it? Is it good? Is it worth it? It is worth it. Let me just point you. It is worth it. 16-pound pellet hopper let you go for 10-12 hours. Not the biggest, so you have to refill. You mostly have to refill it. The pellet size is not the biggest, but it's 550 square inch cooking space. So if you use both of them, you got 1100, around almost 1100. The pros on this is you can grill fast, really fast. It is a gas grill. You can get to temp really fast if you're gonna grill something. But the biggest pros on the combo is that you can open in the middle. So you can open the middle, you turn on your pellet side, and you can cold smoke on the right side. The temp is really low, like really low cold smoking. So you can cold smoke bacon, fish, even cheese. Cheese won't melt on the right side when you open in the middle. That will be my next video. I'm gonna smoke some cheese, you can see. So if you would like to see this grill perform smoking cheese, like and subscribe for the next video. Now, is it any cons? Yes, it's the small sizes. The pellet smoker side is not that big. You can fit the brisket, but you better trim it good. And you can fit 4 St. Louis cut ribs on this. 4 is enough, right? For 4 people, around that. But if you smoke a brisket the day before and you warm hold it and you smoke some ribs, you can make food for around 10-15 people. I would say 15 people. Or you can smoke a brisket first the day before and you can smoke 3 turkey breasts and you got food for 15 people easily. 15 people is good on the pellet smoker side. And if you're in rush, if you got kids that waiting for food, fast grilling. Just turn on the gas grill, grill something fast. It got a small, very cute small front table. Pretty useless, but it is there. And that's it, guys. Nothing else to say. Just a real fast review. I love the smoker. I use it mostly if I'm alone at home. I smoke some ribs for me. I use this one. If I'm gonna grill some hot dogs for the kids or something fast, I grill on this side, on the gas side. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you got any questions, just ask and I will answer for you. I'll see you next time.